In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Webhelper Not Responding. If Steam's interface feels frozen, pages won't load, or you see Steam Client WebHelper Not Responding, the issue usually comes from the web components Steam uses to render the store, library, and other panels. Well, refresh those components, adjust a key setting, and make sure Steam has the permissions it needs. Start by clearing out any stuck WebHelper processes. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC in the Processes tab. Find every entry named Steam Client WebHelper. Right-click each one and choose End Task. This won't uninstall anything, it simply closes the helper processes so they can restart cleanly. If Steam itself closes, that's fine, we'll reopen it shortly. Next, inside Steam, open Settings, then go to the Interface section. Turn off the option labeled Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views. This setting offloads Steam's web content to your graphics card. But if the GPU driver or the embedded browser misbehaves, it can cause hangs. Disabling it forces Steam to use a more compatible path and often resolves freezing right away. You can always re-enable it later if everything is stable. Now we'll refresh Steam's built-in browser files, navigate to C drive, program files x86, Steam bin, and delete the folder named CEF. CEF stands for Chromium Embedded Framework, the engine behind Steam's web views. Deleting this folder is safe. On the next launch, Steam will automatically download a fresh copy. For best results, make sure Steam is fully closed before deleting, so no files are locked. After you remove the folder, start Steam again and let it re-download what it needs. While we're tidying up, clear Steam's cache. Go to your Steam installation directory by default. That's C drive. Program files x86, Steam, and delete the app cache folder. Corrupted cache entries can cause slowdowns and non-responsive behavior. Steam will rebuild this folder automatically the next time it runs. Finally, give Steam the permissions it needs to operate smoothly. In the Steam folder, right-click Steam Shortcut. Choose Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. This helps prevent permission-related hiccups when Steam updates itself or its components. Expect to see a user account control prompt when launching. After completing these steps, Steam's WebHelper should restart with fresh files, a safer rendering path, and proper permissions, which typically restores responsiveness and stability. If you changed any settings during the process, give Steam a moment to settle after relaunching. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.